Shreyash is playing the role of Fenugreek. He is Om Dhage playing the role of Ginger. He is Om playing the role of Cardamom. Hello, I am Bhagyasri. I am playing the role of turmeric. My color is a totally yellow. My taste is a bitter. My structure is a softer. You know I grow under the ground. I also call you healthy. I improve your energy level and digestion. You can use me in your daily life. I also use me in the reducing body pain. Let me use starter of healthy, which is a turmeric. I help to keep healthy. Thank you. Hello, I am Pranjal. I am playing the role of Ninja. I am very old. I was born in millions years ago somewhere in North India or Myanmar. My family spread outside India. In Hindi, my name is Neem. In India, I have other names Neem, Nimba, Nimbori, Nimboda, Nimbi, and Nimbo. Scientists call us bitterness of God, nature's gift to man, and cleanness starting tree. Some even call me magic tree. The tree of 20th century people clean it with my trees and protect clothes with my leaves. Leaves have chemical properties that destroy germs. Eat the powder of my seeds, mix in water and spread on plants there. Locusts didn't eat them. I save crops from termites. Furniture made from me. Thank you. Hello. Hello, I am Shreyash. I am playing the role of Miti. I am useful for all human beings. I am also called a fenugreek in English. I, I help you in keeping I help you in many ways. I help you in keeping sugar level. I can control your body weight. Also, you can soak my seed overnight and drink the water in the morning. You can use me in food. You can eat me also. I am very useful to you. I am afraid you are pleased with friendship with me. Thank you. Hello, I am Om. I am playing the role of Elijah. Elijah is called a cardamom. Cardamom green in color. Cardamom helps in digestion, control sugar level, fresh breeze, support health. Cardamom are very popular spice. Cardamom are used to medicines. Cardamom are two types of cardamom. On green or small cardamom, second is brown or big cardamom. Cardamom are benefited to human body. Thank you. Hello, I am Om Dhage. I am playing role of ginger. Ginger also called ale adrak. It is very important spice and very and medicinal root. It is used for the across the world. Across the world, it is ginger. Gi- Ginger has spicy, strong, warm flavor and strong flavor and sharp aroma. Thank you.